What if I told you that you could start a business today with minimal risk and a high chance of success? In a world where 1 in 5 businesses fail within their first year, playing it smart is not just an option, it's a survival strategy. So in this video, I'm revealing 6 low-risk businesses with a high success rate that you can start even if you're on a tight budget. Whether you're a beginner, a side hustler, or someone ready to break free from the 9 to 5, this is for you. Let's dive in. 1. Online courses and coaching. If you can teach something, whether it's yoga, marketing, Excel, or even how to bake sourdough, someone out there wants to learn it. Why it's low risk. You create the course once and sell it forever. No warehouse, no shipping, pure digital income. Why it succeeds. The e-learning industry is projected to be worth over $400 billion by 2026. People are hungry to learn new skills from people they can trust. Hot idea. Start by offering free value on YouTube or TikTok. Build trust, then lead people to your paid course or one-on-one coaching. 2. Freelance services, writing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, programming. If you've got a skill, there's a client willing to pay for it. Why it's low risk. You don't need an office. You don't need inventory, just your laptop and an internet connection. Why it works. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn give you instant access to a global client base. Start small, build your portfolio, and scale up over time. Pro tip: pick a niche. Don't just be a freelance writer, be a SaaS blog writer. Specialists win more clients and charge higher rates. 3. Dropshipping. You sell products without ever touching them. When a customer orders, your supplier ships directly to them. Why it's low risk. No inventory. No warehouse, no upfront product costs, just your online store. Why it works. If you can market effectively, especially through TikTok, Instagram, or niche influencers, dropshipping can be a gold mine. Caution: success in dropshipping isn't about selling random products, it's about solving real problems for a specific group of people. Find a niche, test fast, and scale what works. 4. Home and office cleaning services. Why it's low risk, low startup costs, basic equipment, and steady demand, especially in urban areas. Why it succeeds. People are busier than ever. They want to outsource cleaning. And once they trust you, they'll hire you again and again. Expansion tip: start solo, but as your client base grows, you can build a team and turn this into a full-blown cleaning agency. 5. Print on demand. Create designs for t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, posters, you name it. Upload them to platforms like Printful or Teespring, and when someone orders, they handle the printing and shipping. Why it's low risk. No need to buy inventory upfront. You only pay after you make a sale. Why it works. People love personalized, niche-based products. Funny quotes, hobby shirts, pet lovers, fans of obscure TV shows. There's a market for everything. Success tip: use tools like Canva or Midjourney for easy design creation and promote your products on Etsy, Instagram, or TikTok. 6. Mobile car wash and detailing. Why it's low risk. All you need are basic supplies and a reliable mode of transport. No shop rent. No fancy machinery. Why it succeeds. People love convenience. If you can wash or detail their car in their driveway or office parking lot, they'll pay you a premium for it. Bonus idea: offer subscription packages. Weekly or bi-weekly cleanings bring in predictable, recurring revenue. But remember, a good idea is only powerful when you act on it. Which of these business ideas got you thinking? Let me know in the comments. I read everyone.